Hi, boys and girls. Well, today, being Fun Friday, we're going to read a book about pull, lift, and lower. A book about pulleys. Pulleys are one of those simple machines that we read about before that helps make a job easier when trying to move something from one location to another location. So let's find out some more information about pulleys. Here's our title page: Pull, Lift, and Lower. Table of contents. So essential as part of science and social studies with our table of contents to give us information so we can learn and grow, because we know the more you know, the more you grow. The more you grow, the more you know. It's a cycle. Here we go. Workers are busy at a construction site. A gigantic crane lifts heavy metal beams into the air. A hook at the end of a strong cable grabs onto the beams. The cable runs up through a pulley on the crane's long arm. The crane pulls the cable through the pulley. So we've actually got a lever and we've got a pulley. A pulley is a machine. A pulley is a simple machine. A simple machine is anything that helps people do work. Work can mean lifting heavy loads or moving things up and down. A pulley uses a wheel and a rope or cable. The rope wraps over the wheel. When the rope is pulled at one end, the wheel helps lift rope on the other end. Pulleys help us lift objects that would normally be too heavy to move. So they're moving hay bales from the truck bed up into the barn, and the pulley makes it so much easier. Window blinds. Open the window blinds. Pull down on the cord and the blinds rise, letting sunlight into the room. If you release or lift up the cord, the blinds lower back down. Window blinds use a pulley. The cord wraps around a small wheel at the top. The tiny pulley can help lift or lower the window blinds in place. So whenever you open your blinds, the ones that go up or down, you are using a pulley system. Flagpoles. Outside the school building, a flag is attached to a long rope. When one end of the rope is pulled down, the other end lifts the flag to the top of the tall pole. The flagpole uses a pulley to raise the flag to the top, where it flutters and flaps in the wind. So a pulley system helps us raise and lower our flags. Block and tackle. Some pulleys use more than one wheel. More wheels make a load easier to lift. A block and tackle is a combination of several wheels and ropes that work together. So whenever you have two or more pulleys, then it's called a block and tackle. Moving heavy sails. Block and tackle is used to hoist or lift heavy sails on a sailboat. The ropes that lift and lower sails are called halyards. Using a block and tackle, one person can lift a sail that weighs twice as much as a grown-up. So definitely helpful to a sailor in moving our boat, our transportation, so it can catch the wind, and the wind will be the force to help the boat move. So a pulley system, or a block and tackle, or a halyard, is very useful. Elevators. Step inside an elevator and push a button. Swoosh! The elevator car moves you smoothly up or down the elevator shaft. The shaft is this part here. Powerful metal pulleys lift and lower the elevator cars. When you push a button, a hidden motor pulls on a steel cable attached to the elevator car. The cable and wheels of the pulleys help you reach your floor. So whenever you step into an elevator, you're using a pulley system. First class pulley. A first class pulley uses a wheel that stays in one place. The pulley's rope moves up and down, and the wheel turns around a point called an axle. We know about axles from wheel and axles. The axle on a first class pulley never moves. It helps keep the wheel steady. A first class pulley helps people pull a bucket of water up a deep well. People all over the world use this type of pulley. So when you have a well and you're trying to get water, then you are using a first class pulley system. Up and up rise the heavy metal beams. The powerful crane uses its pulley to move large equipment and supplies. Pulleys help keep the world moving. So whenever we're looking at getting a job done, 9 times out of 10, there is a simple machine at work. And you're working the simple machine somehow to make it do its job. All right, my friends, scroll on down and find out what's my assignment, my job for the day. I wonder if it will involve a simple machine.